Hello once again, everyone. I'm meteorologist Steve Teeling here at News 8. We are tracking the latest storm to affect our area. And this storm is going to pack a punch. It's going to have a lot of rain with it, as we've been telling you over the last couple of days. And it's going to pack a lot of wind with it as well. I can't even rule out a thunderstorm, which would enhance some of the heavy rainfall. That's how energetic this system is. And we are also going to be seeing this move through pretty quickly. So all this is going to happen over the next, let's say, 24 hours before all is said and done. So it's a quick hitter, so we need to be prepared. Hopefully you did your preps yesterday, or you're going to do them this morning before the rain and the wind hit. Let's check out and see what some of the latest is across our computer guidance. A flood watch is still in effect late today, tonight, into early Monday. 2 to 3 inches of rain expected. There could be isolated higher amounts. Our hour-by-hour forecast shows at 10 o'clock this morning. Could be a passing shower or two, but it's not until this afternoon where we start seeing some heavier downpours, the rain beginning to spread across the state, becoming heavy, and the winds picking up as well. Then it really gets rainy and windy later in the day towards evening. The worst of it will be overnight tonight in terms of rain and wind. That's when some of the heaviest of the rain will be falling. It'll be coming down very fast and furious, and along with the wind, it's going to be a wind-swept rain. And again, we can't even rule out the chance of a thunderstorm. As we go towards morning tomorrow, this at 3:30, the axis of heavy rain will start to move on off to our east, and I think for most of us, we are going to be seeing this end by about 7 a.m. or so, probably 8 or 9 in the eastern part of the state. After that, may have a few flurries up in Litchfield County, maybe a snow shower, but for the most part, skies will clear. It's going to be turning colder, and it will stay windy on the backside of the system. So here are the winds that we're expecting. See how they pick up late this afternoon into this evening. Highest winds will be in southeastern Connecticut and along the shoreline. Look at those winds gusting close to 50 miles an hour in Clinton. That's at 1 in the morning. The axis of heavy winds moves on off to the east, and then we are just left with windy conditions on the backside of the system. Probably not damaging winds, but some of the winds will be gusting as high as 30, 35 miles per hour. We're still thinking anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of rain for most of us, and even that other computer model that was showing 4.5 inches, that's come down a bit to 2 to 3 inches for the most part as well. So much more in agreement, shall we say. All right, here we go. Your forecast for tonight. Heavy rain, and it's going to be windy. A thunderstorm is possible. For tomorrow, we are going to be seeing things improve as we go through the day. Your shoreline 8-day forecast calls for a quiet week after this system moves out of here. Next weekend right now looks okay. We're watching next Sunday for a possible storm system that looks like it would be rain because it's mild. But again, we get a chance to dry out after this storm. All right, stay with us. We'll have more in the forecast coming up throughout the day. And again, be careful and be safe.